Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying Tropical Naturals from Curl Bible. First, I'm going to start with the Guava and Watermelon Seed Oil Cleanser. So it says remove impurities and melt away makeup with our Guava Watermelon Seed Facial Cleanser, formulated with a unique blend of oils like pumpkin, guava, cranberry, and watermelon seed oil to nourish and hydrate the skin while cleansing and removing impurities. Our powerful blend of organic ingredients is also known to help restore the skin's natural elasticity, fade dark marks, and keep the skin free from blemishes and acne. Massage this lightweight serum onto dry skin, remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin's naturally protective barriers. Created for all skin types and is gentle enough to use on a daily basis. Oh, and it says made with love on the ingredients. Pumpkin seed oil, grape seed oil, cranberry seed oil, castor seed oil, jojoba oil, guava seed oil, watermelon seed oil, and benzoin resin oil.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Not sure about that. But this is the first time I've heard something say start with dry skins. Love, love, love the packaging for this. It's so pretty. All right, so here's how she looks. Very, very pretty. And I just opened it.
Folks want to pop off?
All right, one pump. Let's see, so you massage. So I forgot to mention that I started off with just shea butter on my face. I wiped that off, and then I didn't know you were supposed to start off with dry skin, but I just did that just as a way to prep my skin before doing this. So I'm gonna wash this off with a washcloth. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the serum. Just right here, it says shake well before each use. Apply 1 to 2 drops of serum on freshly washed, slightly damp face and neck. Always wash hands before use. Use sparingly, a little goes a long way. So this also has beautiful packaging, and I'm gonna read over the ingredients once I put it on my face. I'm gonna try to put it in while my face is still slightly damp. Sweet, it says created for me. All right, so just 2 drops should do the trick. 1 and 2. All right. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, wow. Oh man, I'm not used to this. My face feels really moisturized, but it doesn't feel greasy at all. All right, so this is my face. I am excited. So, oh wow, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. The ingredients for this, it has cannabis sativa, hemp seed oil, argan oil, moringa oil, rosehip oil, cranberry seed oil, jojoba oil, sea buckthorn oil, and the benzoin. I didn't know there was an ingredient I cannot pronounce, so I apologize if I'm mispronouncing that. But I saw Dana Chanel using this on the Curl Bible Instagram, and I just had to get it. I just had to try it. My skin tends to be really dry, but breakouts will happen sometimes when I'm using oils. So I want the moisturization that you get from using a good oil, but I don't want the breakout. So I'm hoping this will be the perfect balance. So the reason I did this video is I just received a package from Curl Bible on Monday, and so I really wanted to try this out. Don't know what's the last thing I did to my skin, and so I really wanted to treat myself, do something nice for myself today, and so that was going in with this beautiful skincare. Okay, I will be right back. I'm going to get my Mario Badescu spray to seal this in, put on some Vaseline, be right back. Alright, so these are my final results. I went in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and instead of Vaseline, I went in with the... I can't think of the name of it, but hopefully I can insert a picture somewhere up here. But yeah, I really wanted to do something different today. Been kind of lazy the past couple of days. It's wash day, and I wanted to kind of rejuvenate my skin, so I said I would go in with these. Just so you know, whenever you are purchasing something from Curl Bible, number one, it is a Christian-based business, and number two, these products are helping put food on somebody's table, so your purchase isn't going in vain. I do have a discount code below. Click the link in the description box and get yours today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Guys, this is editing me from the future. So I just got out of the shower, excuse my appearance, but I exfoliated with the Aveeno Positively Radiant 60-second in-shower facial. Exfoliate with that while I was in the shower, left it on for a minute, got out, put the oil cleanser on, and then I had to go get something for my neighbor. So I went out with the oil cleanser on my face. When I got back in, I wiped it off. I went in with the facial serum, of course, and then, sorry. Then I went in with my Hanacure Nano Emulsion, and of course, last but certainly not least, followed it up with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Guys, when I tell you my face is butter smooth, butter soft, it makes a world of difference. I thought like just going in with the facial serum would be enough, and of course it's great, but you put your moisturizer on top of that, takes it to a whole nother level. So while I was editing, I just had to pop in and say that. I'm gonna get back to editing now, and thanks for watching this video.